Here into the floor.
No, into the back of the sandbags.
Okay. Oh, no, that's good.
So this is a bin for props, I'm just gonna put that.
That's the light for behind.
That's the light from behind, okay, super. How much?
20. I walked in there one day and I went, oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do we just?
Yeah, we have to move.
Yeah, I have to move it so you can just put it down.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
And I will do some touch.
Thanks, Tina. Okay, come on. Watch your step. Step coming up, step going down.
I'll guide you.
Oh, thanks. Hey, trust me, I'll take what I can get. Goes this way, doesn't it? Okay, so we ready to set it up?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's in there, yeah.
This by far is all efficient.
And then,
Don't want to use touch.
no. And the wall?
The bottom has to come out.
And all
Up
is
there. Perfect.
how different clubs do it. Yeah, because
I'm curious. I'm from everybody else.
there was a sixth one.
I'm
Sarah's mom.